Welcome to my channel House Plan 2D Drawing. I'm going to be teaching you guys today on how to remove transparency from your elevations. If I click on my south elevation here, I'm going to say that I can see, like, this is the fridge. I can see the fridge inside the glass. I can see these three lines here, which is not even needed. I can see all this, all of that. I can also see the lights in the parlor. And then if I move to this other side, as you can see, if you even look at the railing, as you can see, I can even see the draw through the railing, which I don't want for my elevations. So what I'm going to do is I am going to go to the ground floor, and this is my south elevation. I'm just going to click on this elevation. I'll click on it and I'll go to the settings dialog, and I'll click on model appearance and scroll down, and as you can see, there is transparency and it is on. So I'm going to untick it and click on OK. When that is done, I'll press escape, click on south elevation, and everything should be gone. The transparency should be gone. Okay, so now it's loaded, and as you can see, the transparency is gone from everything. So this is how to remove transparency from your elevation, so you can have a clean and smooth elevation. And you do the same thing for the rest of the elevation. You click on that's the north elevation, and you hold down shift and click on east elevation, hold down shift and click on west elevation, and click on settings dialog, and you click on model appearance and untick transparency and click on OK. And automatically, when you have to click on the elevations, everything is just going to be the way it's supposed to be. Okay, everything is going to be the way it's supposed to be. Everything is just going to be clean, like the way an elevation is supposed to look like. If you look at this other side, as you can see, there's no transparency in any of it. There's no transparency. Thank you for watching my video. If my video has been of any help to you, kindly subscribe, like and comment, and I will see you in my other tutorial videos. Thank you.